Good afternoon, everyone. This is Nine Rasa Official, and my name is Pratik. So as you know, today we are here to celebrate a very veteran, so to say, theatre personality, theatre actor, Amit Mistry, and I'm going to be speaking to two very established and accomplished theatre personalities themselves who have had a long-standing working relationship with Amit. That is Mr. Makarand Deshpande and Mr. Brijesh Shirji. Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Good.
Hope you're well and safe in this pandemic and these bad times.
Yes. We are quite, sad, pained in our hearts. So I'm
Hmm.
glad that that you, Pratik and Nine Rasa, are
Hmm.
kind of organizing this tribute
Hmm.
to an actor who can be life can be a simple life can be.
Hmm. Sir, just a moment. I'm going to add Brijesh sir also to this conversation, and then we start. I'm just looking for him because his name popped up, and now I'm not able to find him. Just a minute.
Rajesh is not easy to find.
No.
Yeah,
He's here. He's here.
one thing there and
He's
the other.
here. I've just sent him a request, so let's hope he joins us. He's able to join us
Hey,
soon.
Hi, Mackie.
I
Hello,
Hi.
sir. Hello,
Hi,
hello. Good
Pratik.
afternoon,
Hi.
and
Good afternoon.
thank
Good
you so much
afternoon.
for joining in.
Thank you.
Uh,
Thank you. Like Max said, thank you for, this tribute to our friend.
I was just, I'm somebody who has seen Amit perform on stage. Unfortunately, I haven't, so to say, collaborated with him. But I was surprised to see that, Amit at 47 had done almost 25 years of theatre and, had a huge repertoire of work on stage on him. So just wanted to, through this conversation, discover that side of him a little more. And to start with, Makan sir, you've been one of his longest collaborators, dating way back to the early 90s. So if you could tell us about him and your first interaction with him, and how did the long-term association begin, so to say.
in college, uh, here maybe here and there, but
Hmm.
I remember room number one. That's we us. It used to be actually girls' common room, and then it converted into rehearsal. We would, uh, I mean, I used to call him a boy because he looked like a boy who was straight from a good-looking boy जिसके बाल कभी हिलते नहीं, आंखों में हमेशा शरारत थी, and the boy who would want to be seen, met, and he would always have a story. So in room number one, we used to rehearse. That's where, and room number eight. These were the two rehearsal rooms. But I still remember that it was very proper, proper. I mean, जो fold करते हैं ना, अमित की स्टाइल भी ऐसी थी कि अगर ये फोल्ड किया हुआ है तो उसने ही आधा ऐसा छोड़ा हुआ है. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने किया और वो छूट गया. अमित ने कोई चीज बटन अगर ऐसा करके ये छोड़ा हुआ है कुछ दिखाने के लिए, तो वो अमित ने किया हुआ है. ऐसा नहीं है कि रह गया, जल्दी में आ गया. अमित का अनकेम्प्ड लुक वाज आल्सो, it was kept. So best thing about him was I saw him, I was always like a star, and it is one of my oldest days. Man, it was in Master Josh. If people don't know about him, don't know whether it's there on Google, but he was one of the best theatre directors of Gujarati and Hindi, and who's done a lot of contributions to theatre, and I'm one of them. And so, with after me, the generation was of Amit Mistry, and मैंने तब एक नाटक किया था ड्रीम मैन. उसका एक हिस्सा जोशी चाह रहा था कि मैं एनएम के लिए करूं, तो मैंने लिखा था he was going to direct, and that's where Sharman came in. and Amit Mistry. And Sharman played the dream man, and Amit was the actor in that, the struggling actor who wants to become a star. He has the aspirations. And I'm telling you, the way he performed, there was a dialogue where he had to say two lines of each actor. There was a whole kind of a loop, and which he did it. You know, तभी मैंने इतना ही कहा था जोशी ये स्ट्रगलर थोड़ी ना है, ये तो स्टार है, ये स्ट्रगलर का रोल क्यों करवा रहा है इससे? जोशी बोला ये ऐसे इधर नहीं है, जनरली स्टार है. And really, in those times, I remember Amit was एक तो अभी सॉरी लोगों को ये लगता, बट ठीक है, मीट गर्ल्स. देखो, एक तो क्या है कि कॉलेज के टाइम में अगर कोई गिटार लेके बैठ जाए तो और वो गा दे, तो उसके बाद तो मकरंद देशपांडे भी क्यों दिखे किसी को, मतलब वो तो सिर्फ वही दिखेगा, और वो भी गाने जो आई लिटरली यूज्ड टू पिक इट अप. और उसकी एक आदत भी थी कि वो ऐसा करके कुछ लड़की को थमा देता था, तो मैं समझ नहीं रहा क्या थमा दिया इसने, तो उसने अपना फोन नंबर दे दिया है. And that was, you know, the side of his which was so wonderful. You know, there was a mischief in his. एक बोलते हैं ना कि एक तो किरदार लिखा जाता है तो उसमें क्या होता है भाई, हीरो एक ऐसा होता है जो एक तो हमेशा से प्यार करता है, तो हमेशा से रोमांस उसमें था, वो गुड लुकिंग होता है, और जब चाहिए तब वो रिस्पॉन्सिबल बन सकता है. That was the side of his which wonderful. And from college, then when I did so of Ek Kadam Aage, that was the same character, two characters we picked from there. But this time I said, Ammu, you sing well. So from actor, now you will become the singer. So he played both the strugglers. They live together and a dream man comes. That was the story. And how an actor wants to just become a star without learning acting. And the singer actually wants to become a good singer first. So उसको अपना सा ठीक करना है. And Ammu loved it because he had a singing base. And for me, I think Ek Kadam Aage was the play where for Ansh Theatre Group, वो प्ले कभी हम लोग रोक ही नहीं पाए. कैसा था, मेरी बहुत आदत थी कि एक प्ले बहुत कर लिया, अब उसको रोक दो यार. लेकिन ऐसा होता था कि नए प्लेस के एक्टर्स कभी ना कभी किसी कारणवश अवेलेबल नहीं होते थे, तो अनिल यादव, another terrific man, and Amit Mistry would say, देख तू कितना भी मैं कोशिश करे ना बंद करने का है, तुझे हमारे ही पास आना पड़ेगा. And you will not believe, they never said no to that show. पता नहीं कैसे, मतलब कि एक शो तो मैं भूलूंगा नहीं, इसलिए क्योंकि कोलकाता में IIM में शो था. अब IIM मतलब वैसे तुमको पता है कि पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती है. हम सारे ग्रेजुएट, मतलब जो भी, मतलब अगर मुझसे पूछो आप बुक कीपिंग, अभी तो मुझे पता भी नहीं है. वी कांट रियली कीप अप बुक्स एट ऑल, मतलब अभी भी नहीं है. तो वहां पर 2 डीन थे और वो दिया जलाने वाले थे, और वो उन्होंने मुझे बता लिया कि आप जलाइए. तब मैंने वहां से फोन, तो अम्मू उधर से चिल्लाया था, आइला साहब मी 2 डीनच्या मध्ये उभा आहे, चिल्लाया था. दैट इज अम्मू. अम्मू वाज द मैन. वो मराठी में बोला उधर कलकत्ता में, मराठी में बोल रहा है कि आइला सांग. और आई लिटरली नॉट बिलीव फ्रॉम, मतलब when I told this to the audience and they asked me to, you know, call, and from the stage I called my mom. 2 डीन मेरे इधर उधर खड़े थे और मैं माँ को बोला, माँ ये 2 डीन खड़े हैं, अब मैं इनके बीच दिया जलाने जा रहा हूँ, so don't be unhappy that I didn't study. That was so wonderful, you know. That is how spontaneous he was, and we kept on performing. He did, I mean, उन्होंने एक उसमें खूबसूरत मटका रखते थे. मैं यार वो मटका बजाएगा, वो तुलसी का पौधा लगाया उसमें, तो क्या करता था, 2 कॉइन्स अपने पास रखता था इसे में. और उसका एक गाना था उसका, उसमें क्या बोलते हैं गुजराती में, he sing something else which, and he used to play that मटका.
वो याद है मुझे.
हाँ वो याद है ना.
वो याद है मुझे.
वो गाता था तो वो उसके लिए मटका, वो कहता था मैं बजा दूंगा, तू मुझे सिर्फ. एंड इन माय लाइफ रजू, मैंने ना एक्टर्स की कॉमरादरी इतनी नहीं देखी. अनिल यादव, अभी अनिल दिल अनवेल है, नहीं तो मैं उसको भी बुला लेता. And Amit Mistry. Anik Yadav is 6 feet tall. Amit Mistry, whatever, 5, whatever. And Amit Mistry was our actually, matlab Raju will talk about it, maybe about Al Pacino, the whole hangover of Al Pacino. That was Ammu, and Ammu had to play Pancham. So Pancham मतलब सरोद वादक उसका बेटा परफॉर्म करना तो एल पचिनो तो नहीं झलक सकता. तो ऐसे में वो दोनों एक दूसरे का मजाक उड़ाते हुए, बट आई हैव नेवर सीन ऐसी गहरी दोस्ती, कमरादरी. कभी एक दूसरे ने एक दूसरे को बुरा बोलने से खुद को रोका नहीं. तूने गांड मार दी यार मेरी, ये क्या रे तू, क्या मस्त किया यार, मैं बहुत अच्छा है यार, मजा आ गया यार. यू नो, क्विक कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स, क्विक बोलना, क्विक. ही नेवर सेड कि मैंने तेरे को बताया नहीं पर मैं तुझे बताना चाहता. नहीं, ये मैं बहुत सारो छे यार, सुपर्ब यार, अब खान मार दी तूने. The point was the intensity of being there, enjoying. As an actor, one thing very, very important, that you be continuous does not mean that can add up line. Continuous is being with the co-actor and what is he seeing, take it and then give it back. And he would do that because Anil Yadav had this knack of coming up with, some kind of spontaneity. But he used to take it and give it back. And they both used to really, मतलब आज भी अगर मैं सोचूं, वो मदर इंडिया का सीन था उनका, चारपाई थी, वो उठाता था और खड़ा रहता था, बोलता था मैं कैसे लग रहा हूँ, और वो बोलता था मदर इंडिया. तो मदर इंडिया का फील नहीं आ रहा, मतलब उसमें पता नहीं क्यों, लेकिन लोग बहुत ज्यादा हंसते थे. और एक जोक अनिल यादव मारता था जो सालों से कभी कोई नहीं हंसा, और अमित ने भी उसको कभी नहीं बोला कि ये मत बोल, वो ट्राई करते हैं, कभी ना कभी तो कोई हंसेगा, बोलता था वो, कभी ना कभी तो कोई हंसेगा. लोग पूरे नाटक में हंसते थे. उस क्या था, एक झील के इस पार कुछ तो ऐसा वो जोक था, वो कभी कोई नहीं हंसा, लेकिन अनिल यादव एंड तक बोलता रहा और अमित भी उसको वापस उसको रिस्पॉन्स देता रहा और कभी नहीं कोई हंसा. ये हम लोग फिर से बोलते थे, आज भी नहीं कोई हंसा, हंसेगा, so that was my long association on stage. One of my very important plays was there. Sanjana was part of it. Really, it was a 4 hour 21 minutes was my first. नाटक खत्म रहा, हाउसफुल था, और बाय द टाइम जब नाटक खत्म हुआ 2 इंटरवल थे, तब कुछ 8 लोग बाकी थे रहे, बाकी लोग चले. कुछ लोगों को नाटक समझ में नहीं आया, इसलिए कुछ लोग इसलिए गए क्योंकि घर कैसे पहुंचे, लेकिन नाटक चल रहा था. उसमें अहम भूमिका की थी अमित ने, BOY बॉय, तभी उसका मैंने नाम भी रखा था BOY बॉय, जो कहानी सुना था वो भी किसी एक बूढ़े शेर की कहानी सुना था. शेर बूढ़ा गया है लेकिन वो बचाना है, तो आप वो बूढ़े शेर की कहानी.
Makan sir, I'm losing you. I'm losing you. Just a minute. Just hold on. I think I've lost your stream. Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. There is some distortion. So I'll come back to you because there is some I think network bandwidth issue. In the meantime, let's also talk to Brijesh sir. And sir, what Makan sir was telling about on stage camaraderie and camaraderie between two actors, and you yourself are an actor. So how was your interaction with Amit? What are your memories of him? When did you first meet him and interact with him?
So I'll come to that in a second. What I need to tell you is that Amit was one of my closest friends in real life, off stage. The intensity that Makaran spoke of Amit having on stage, Amit had the same intensity in real life also. So on the face of it, he might have seemed extremely casual, which was also the way he put his performances across. But one of his favorite things to say was, "अरे जोई लईशु यार, मतलब देख लेंगे, अभी कर तो देते हैं पहले, देख लेंगे अभी उसका क्या होगा यार बाद में." So but it was, everything he did was thought out actually.
Yes.
He might have seemed casual or impetuous in the moment, but
yes, वो वाली बात, correct.
Exactly what you're saying. So, for example, there is a show that he and I are both doing for Amazon Prime, and the producers called me and said that, would you like to finish his remaining work? आई एम एक्चुअली गोइंग टू कॉल हिज ब्रदर एंड से कि भाई उसने नोट्स बनाए होंगे, जरा नोट्स ढूंढ के दे मेरे को। और मैंने प्रोड्यूसर्स को बोला कि अपने एक्सपेक्टेशंस लो रखना मेरे से भाई, अगर वो करके गया है तो। हाँ, तो सो अमित
Raju is mad. Mad, I
हाँ,
know. You,
completely.
Raju, he's mad. Yeah, Raju. Continue.
Yeah, so Amit's attitude to life only was कि देख लेंगे यार, अभी मोमेंट में मजा कितना करना है अपने को, and
Correct.
that is what he was on stage also.
Superb,
So
superb.
yeah, in terms of where we how we met, तो ना हम लोग एक नाटक कर रहे थे, गुजराती नाटक एवा मुंबई में चाल जाइए, जो वेस्ट साइड स्टोरी का गुजराती एडेप्टेशन था। तो अमित had come into the play just before we went to America, और मैं नया नया शिफ्ट हुआ था अंधेरी। तो अंधेरी शिफ्ट होने के बाद मेरा जो पहला ग्रुप बना दोस्तों का, हम लोग 5 दोस्त हैं, उनमें से एक अमित मिस्त्री। तो जस्ट अमेरिका जाने से पहले हाय हेलो हुई थी। अब हम लोग अमेरिका पहुंचे, ठीक है, पहला शो था LA में शायद, तो सब सेटल हुए मोटेल में और बैग रख के नहा धो के बाहर आए। तो मैं, अपना अमित मिस्त्री, केदार भगत करके एक और हमारा दोस्त, और तपन भट्ट करके हमारा एक और दोस्त। अब अमित और केदार ना हीरो नुमा भूमिका निभा रहे थे उस नाटक में, और मैं और तपन छोटी भूमिकाएं निभा रहे थे। तो हम बाहर बैठे थे, तो इन लोगों ने कि अरे यार कहां हम हीरो के साथ कैरेक्टर एक्टर बैठे हो यार। तो सुनो, तो मैंने और तपन ने उस मोटेल की लॉबी में जाके उसके स्लॉट मशीन में से 2 चेरी कोका कोला निकाले, पैसे डाल के बाहर गए, वो चेरी कोका कोला का कैन खोला, लाइफ में पहली बार कोल्ड ड्रिंक सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक का कैन खोला है, और अमित और तपन के सर पे वो कोका कोला डाल दिया हमने एक्चुअली किया था। और अमित ने बोला यार आनो सीन करवो જોઈએ આપણે કાલના શોમાં। पागल है तू यार, उधर से गिर रहा है तरबतर चेरी कोका कोला में। So that was when that night I think we cemented, what turned out to be our friendship. So
He
So
had that. For him, I guess what Rajesh is saying, I think he had no kind of line between play and life. His life was he was on. उसका ऐसा था, चल अपन कर रहे हैं यार, अपन कब करते हैं, कल करते हैं यार, चलना मैक करते हैं। So he was totally on with life. I don't think when post show you meet and you party, and what do you party for? Is to talk about the show. That is what the important reason is. That what was the reaction, where we fucked up, and where now we are getting back, and what we do. Those parties never got over. It last till we hours, and till then also the point was only about कि जैसे रजू ने कहा कि ये हम लोग कल ऐड कर देते। The point was not about कि हंसी मजाक हो गया नहीं, ये इसमें से हम लोग आगे कैसे गए, आज मजा आ गया, ये अपन ऐड करते। उसके साथ गाना बनाना कोई मुश्किल बात थी। इनफैक्ट आई डिड अ प्ले कॉल्ड 16 साल का आकाश, एंड म्यूजिक वाज कंपोज्ड बाय हिम, एंड आई थिंक केदार हेल्प्ड हिम tracks, Kedar Bhagat and in 16 साल का आकाश he used to sing live, and that was the first time even me as a director had a musical play where I had live tracks, and -1 tracks, but he stick on it, live singing, or to hear Amit precision, he मतलब म्यूजिक में कभी उसने ये नहीं किया गपला कि अपन बाद में, he was very particular, मतलब he looked very candid, but he was more disciplined and more rehearsed.
Mac, I'm going to interrupt you for a second because
Yes, sure.
Ashwini Bhai is here and he's saying that I saw Amit for the first time in Ek Chalis Ki Last Local and fell in love. He was brilliant in that film. I have a story about that. I was signed for that role. And about 2 days before the shoot began, other film that I was doing, something happened and I couldn't do this film. And ऐसा stress हो गया था. So I immediately said कि boss, and उस टाइम मैं भी नया नया, तो मेरे को था कि यार भड़क जाएंगे, ऐसा थोड़ी अच्छा लगता है. I immediately called. I remember that their office was in Worli, Mad Films के पीछे ऑफिस था इस प्रोडक्शन का. Immediately अम्मू उधर गया था. That's how, and he was phenomenal in the film. Yeah, he played this Catholic character, Ashwini Bhai. So yeah, he was brilliant in that film. But that's how he was. You're right, Mac. वो रॉकेट था यार, सट से. मतलब वो ऐसा लेटा होगा कि हाँ बजू बोल क्या है, अरे अम्मू एक ऐसा पिक्चर है, मेरे को किधर आना है, अभी है शूटिंग. उसका ऐसा था यार. And again, Sanjay Upadhyay, my debut hero, Papo. So the story behind Papo was Amit's first show. And Sanjay sir, please correct me if I'm wrong. So there was a channel called BITV. Matt, you will remember. India Today का channel आ रहा था, BITV. Shekhar Kapoor, I think, was sort of heading, that. It came on air for 4 days and went off air. Sanjay Upadhyay has put up a post on Facebook saying that we made Papo. वो तो एयर पे आया, जो भी 4 एपिसोड आए और चैनल ही ऑफ एयर हो गया. आई थिंक Zarina Mehta saw that show and Sanjay Upadhyay got Trikal, if I'm not mistaken. And Amit made a showreel for himself out of it. And Sanjay Upadhyay said that, Amit, if it wasn't for you, then who knows? So again, I also started out with a show on BITV, which again, 4 दिन की चांदनी थी. Yeah. So sort of, is...
Pratik, you can get Sanjay, I think, to talk about it.
Yeah, if you can join him, yeah.
I think he's here. I'm just going to send him a request. Let's see what happens. I hope we are able to add him also, because according to me, just 3 people can go live simultaneously. So it's a great discovery for people like me also, who have seen Amit sir on stage so many times and have been enthralled by his performances. I think one of the earliest plays which I remember watching was One on One, which was a collage of monologues done by 10 different actors. Sanjay sir is here. Hello, Sanjay sir.
Hi, Sanjay.
Hi.
Hello.
See you, Sanjay.
Hello.
Yeah. Everything that the two of you have been talking about him is so much true. And, I remember seeing that play that he did for you, Makran, the Sher Khan play. And, it was one of the early days. And
Yes.
And, the passion with which he did was really, really, phenomenal. I still remember all of it. Hi, kya haal hai, Brajesh?
Badhiya. Lovely to see you after so long. Speaking of Amit's passion, what always amazed me was that because we knew him intimately, Mackie, you, me, we knew him intimately, so we knew his passion, but his passion was almost a throwaway.
Yeah.
And that was the beauty of
Yeah.
even in real life, chal raha abhi. Kitne baje aa raha hai, bol raha.
Yeah. That's right. In fact, Papo ke liye, the role that he had to play was a 15-year-old boy. So in real life, he would be full of energy and all that. But the moment, and Papo was a very different kind of boy. Papo was a very introvertish, complex, मतलब उसको दुनिया भर का बोझ अपने सर पे. But once he figured out, वो इतना easily उसमें imbibe हो जाता था और इतना मतलब I could hardly differentiate between Papo and Amit. मतलब, and for all the people who saw it, actually, I must tell you that Papo never came on air.
Oh, it didn't come on air?
It never came on air. No, because it was in the making only. It remained in the making. And it only became a showreel for both of us. So more for him than for me, actually. I never carried a showreel. That's how it, it turned my career only because that showreel that he made for himself. Otherwise, I would never ever imagine taking a thing to UTV or Zarina or somebody like that. That's how that I owe it to him. That's why I felt like saying that.
But he cared for his work, he cared for his work. He was proud to be, part of his play. He never demeaned whatever he did. अच्छा बुरा जो भी है मेरा है.
सही बात.
ये मेरा है. उसको वो आता था तो हमेशा ऐसा लगता था कि यार थोड़ा अगर होता है ना, आप थोड़ा कभी कभी थक जाते हो, टूट जाते हो, लेकिन वो आता था ऐसा लगता था वाह क्या चल आ गई, जान आ गई। हम लोग उसको हमेशा
Yeah.
बोलते थे ये चीज भी है, ये तो आदमी मतलब ये तो रहेगा, मतलब अश्वत्थामा बलिवास हनुमावश्च विभीषणा कृपा रामाश्च, अरे ये भी अपना है यार, ये हिलता नहीं है जगह से, ऐसा ही हमको लगता था। मतलब वो आता था लिटरली, एंड I mean the Pratik is the quality which he had. One more was, he was a friend.
Yeah, man.
आप उसको बुलाइए कितने बजे, कुछ का आपका काम है या आपको कुछ बात करनी, आप जगाइए ना। प्यार,
True.
इतना प्यार देता था वो, मतलब मुझे इतने प्यार से पप्पी किसी ने नहीं दी। फूड में आके इतना प्यार से पप्पी देता, मतलब आपको ऐसा लगा लड़की है क्या है, पर उसमें प्यार था यार,
Speaking,
इतना प्यार करता था आपसे।
speaking of the
मार्च को, हाँ,
speaking of the puppy, मेरा ना बरसों पहले मेरे राइट घुटने का आर्थ्रोस्कोपी हुआ है, ठीक है, आरोग्य निधि हॉस्पिटल जू में, ठीक है। तो अभी मैं आर्थ्रोस्कोपी करा के अपना पट्टा पिंडी करा के घुटने पे लेटा हुआ हूँ ऐसे। अभी अमित और एक और दोस्त है हम लोग का तपन, वो हॉस्पिटल में है, ठीक है। अभी मेरे को थोड़ा होश आया, मम्मी थी वहां, और मेरे को तो मैं हल्का सा गुस्सा है कि ये कैसे ऐसे मैं पड़ा हूं, मैं चल क्यों नहीं पा रहा हूं, मैं नॉर्मल लाइफ क्यों नहीं जी रहा हूं। तो अमित ने बोला कि मासी तुम्हें घरे जाओ। तो मेरी माँ ने बोला तू पागल है क्या, तेरे को इसके साथ, मेरे बेटे के साथ इधर हॉस्पिटल में छोड़ के मैं जाऊंगी, तुम लोग दोनों इधर क्या कांड करोगे क्या मालूम। तो उसने मेरे को एक्चुअली बोला मम्मी ने के जाए हूं तने पप्पी आपीस, तने पंपाड़ी ने सुवाड़ी दईस। तो बट वो जेन्युइनली पूरा दिन उसने दौड़ भाग किया, सब दवाई। फिर शाम को जाने का टाइम हुआ तो मम्मी को बोला मासी तमे जाओ छो के हूं जाऊं। तो मैंने बोला दोनों निकलो इधर से, अकेला रहूंगा मैं। तो उसने रात को फोन करता रहा टिल आई टू टेल हिम कि बस ना भाई अभी मैं सो जाऊंगा। तो यार उसका पप्पी वाला आइटम बहुत ओके, पप्पी
कंप्लीट वो पप्पी आपको देगा ही, और वो वाकई में था। होल पॉइंट वाज ही हैड सो मच लव एंड अफेक्शन टुवर्ड्स पीपल।
I think it's your biggest achievement if you are always remembered by smile, and if you remember all this 1 hour, we are only laughing and smiling.
Yes.
Absolutely.
So that is biggest legacies that you can leave behind you.
Absolutely.
उसने बनाया था कोरोना पे, आप लोगों को पता है। मैं एक मिनट, मैं ना एक मोबाइल लाता हूँ, उस पे
speaking of that smile, that smile, if you look at whatever, one has seen on social media, people are only talking about how he would walk into a room and brighten it up.
Yeah.
Regardless of whatever frame of mind he was in, he would walk in with a, come on, baby, who's dancing? ऐसे करके ही आता था वो, hat पहन के.
It's really short.
We will, I'm just waiting for Makran sir because, it's already very overwhelming to remember such a nice person, such a kind-hearted person, such a fine artist. And, I'm already feeling the goosebumps.
But yeah, Pratik, that performance you're talking about in one-on-one, where he played that Pakistani terrorist was unbelievable. Yeah.
Yes.
He took this slight list for himself, and he was a Michael Jackson fan. मतलब हम लोग सब बैक, so I did one-on-one too. He was in one-on-one part 1, and then we used to do mixed shows. We had all seen it innumerable times, but हम लोग सब backstage जमा होते थे उसको देखने को. और उसको वो बोलते हुए जाता था, रजू मेरे को याद नहीं है, रुक जाओ तो बता देना पीछे से। अरे क्या बता देना पीछे से यार।
Let's try. Makran sir is showing us a video. Let's just. Oh my God.
करो ना, बोले आवाज
फिर से मैकी, फिर से।
क्या बात है मतलब।
करो ना बोले हाथ धोले मुंह पे मास्क लगा ले, हो करना बोले हाथ धोले मुंह पे मत यूं ही निकलना, बम पे पड़ेंगे डंडे, करो ना बोले हाथ
ये
धोले।
कोरोना बोले हाथ धोले.
My, that is,
That is
that is Ammu, you just मस्त आदमी.
Yeah.
मतलब आपको ऐसा लगता था कि वो जो होते हैं ना, कुछ लोग पंछियों से बात कर सकते हैं. मुझे ऐसा लगता है speak to the birds in the morning. भी कभी कभी वो कोयल के साथ ऐसा गाना भी ना गाता था, उनका साथ ढूंढते थे वो लोग दोनों आपस में. Because he was the guy who I feel कि जितना हम लोग nomad की बातें करते हैं या have the heart of a fakir, but yet was a polished guy. I've never seen a mix of a fakir and at the same time not corporate but a disciplined guy. आप उसको टाइम पे बुलाओ, वो टाइम पे आएगा. ऐसा नहीं है 1:30 बजे है तो आप 4 बजे आएगा, वो 1:30 बजे आएगा. उसके बाद उसको कहीं जाना है, लेकिन उसको अगर मजा आ रहा है तो वो कहीं जाएगा नहीं, वो आपके साथ ही रहेगा और उसके बाद एक अलग सा प्रोग्राम बनते जाएगा आपका और वो चलते रहेगा. फिर आपको दिन रात आपको काउंट करना है, उसका हिसाब में गिनती नहीं है, वो चल रहा है, एक निरंतर चल रहा था. कुछ लोग मेरे ख्याल से they live in that 47 years, maybe he's lived 70 years. वो ज्यादा जी भी गया, वो उसने कम नहीं जिया वो. तो of course we wanted him, I mean much, but वो जीता था बहुत. The whole point is, वो होता है ना हारमोनियम बजाते तो कैसे पूरा हवा भरते उसमें, तो पूरी हवा भर के जीता था. उसकी हवा कभी कम नहीं हुई. I think that is why maybe whatever he lived fully, whatever his sorrows also, his joy also, पूरा जिया. लोग नहीं तो sorrows आ जाते तो थोड़े हट जाते हैं. I think he lived his sorrow also completely. That's what is the very, very emotional side, apart from being very, very friendly and joyous.
on that note, I think we have shared some wonderful anecdotes, both Brijesh sir, Makan sir, and even Sanjay sir, and we have really discovered a lot about Amit sir, which we did not, which people like me did not know.
Pratik,
A lot of people-
Pratik, hold. If you have
Yes.
2 minutes, अगर केदार आया हुआ है तो
हाँ,
केदार
केदार है.
केदार है.
I'll have to check. I'll have to check.
केदार के गाने से या कुछ वैसा वो एंड कर देगा.
ठीक
Let
है.
Kedar
So yes.
finish your whatever and then let him finish it. Okay, in the memory of Ammu, he will just sing that if Kedar is there and Kedar can. Kedar Bhagat is a music director, an actor, which he mentioned just now. Eva Mumbai Machal Jaiye. The hero.
I cannot find him. Oh wait, yeah. He's here.
Kedar is not there. Kedar was there. मैंने अभी इधर पढ़ा था.
No.
Hello guys.
He was there. I'll just find him again. There are a
Ammu-
couple of other Kedars also, so I'm getting confused. Just a minute. I'll just add it.
Because that would be wonderful if he.
Yes, that will be a befitting end. I've invited Kedar sir, so I think he should get my request anytime soon.
Yeah.
हाँ,
He's there.
केदार seen it, yeah.
Yeah.
केदार join कर लेना.
Yeah, so I think that will be a very befitting conclusion to this conversation, so to say, and just waiting for him to join in if possible, because I think
Guys,
Okay.
whoever are there, Amit, for us, a friend, terrific co-actor, a terrific person to have around, and a great viewer also. मतलब हमारा दर्शक भी था, हम काम करते थे, तो हमारा काम जब वो नहीं था, वो भी देखता था, रिहर्सल पे भी आता था. मेरा लास्ट प्ले कृष्ण हुआ 8 मार्च को, मेरी रिहर्सल देखने था पृथ्वी. The only regret I'll have that पिछले कई सालों में एक नया नाटक हम कर नहीं पाए, और वो हमेशा कहता था मैक करते कुछ, वो रह गया. But he was complete. एक person था complete, which, and we are fortunate to really know him. So please live with life. I think that is to take from him, and Surila life.
So unfortunately, I'm not being able to add Kedar sir. So Rajesh sir, if you would want to just say a few final words, and then
No,
maybe.
I'm think, Mac has, no, yeah, Mac has said, what needs to be said. So
Hmm, hmm, hmm. So thank you both, Makran sir and Vijay sir, for joining in. I understand it's a very emotional moment for you guys also because you all shared such a long-standing relation both on and off stage. Thanks a lot for telling us about Amit sir, and as we discovered, he was a fine actor, fine human being also. So we all will really miss him. And thank you so much for this.
thank
Yeah.
you. Much love.
Thank you.
Take care.
Okay, guys, so that was our homage to Amit Mistry sir. And thank you so much for joining in and listening to some of his wonderful stories. And we will see you soon. Take care and stay safe. Thank you very much.